See him watch? He's coming after somebody too. He better not be coming after me because these cars are passing. This truck passed me. He's coming. He's going after somebody. There he goes.
Oh,
yeah, he's going after somebody.
I've been watching you.
County coastline slow via De La Valle to La Costa, South 805 flowing through the Golden Triangle, and then from the 163 to the
how many red lights are going to run up there?
Why do we have to wear masks?
Holy moly, how many cars are going to keep coming? I don't know if they're even open yet. They're probably going to be open Monday, but did that guy just run red light?
Who's the person? Miss Manners, out of them.
Oh, how many red light runners are we going to have up there? Good golly.
Southbound 5 at La Jolla Village Drive, the 2 right lanes are blocked there. If you have a chance, you might
red light runner, go for it, baby.
Instead.
Go, red light runner, go! Go, Tesla, red light runner, Model S!
Wait in line at the DMV. Policy of critical race theory. I can tell you right now, the liberals are seething. They are
oh, go, buddy, go! Go, run that red light!
We packed.
Is it the right turn? I thought he's going the right turn when the green.
Woo!
When the
Good job, red light running pickup truck.
This is somebody that was alongside you over there and trying to help our country and keep our people.
Woo! That's a red light runner there, truck.
Feel a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. Ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da.
Tesla ran a red light. Oh no!
Stop.
From the federal government, from the Biden, you don't have to work. Well, their argument is, that isn't it. People have decided, I think you'll hear Biden say this in the answer. People have decided they don't want those low-wage, stinky jobs in service industry.
Portia.
Whoa, Bigfoot! That's dangerous out here, buddy.
I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, name, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. I wanna leave, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. I wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, name, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. I wanna leave, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Pull me back, take my hand. Come on, name, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away.
Bigfoot, how am I going to get left lane here? You're standing in the... Good golly, that's not where you cross the road, buddy.
And there's a lot of COVID out there. And if you're not vaccinated, I can pretty much assure you you're going to get COVID in the next 3 to 6 months.
You're not supposed to be walking bare,
Probably
buddy.
more
That's
so
why you
3
almost
months.
got killed. Why are you waving
Probably
at him?
More like 3
You
weeks.
just now
3
got the
months.
green to walk. Good golly.
Yeah, he's the death.
Bigfoot, what you doing? What you doing, Bigfoot?
Go wrong. I don't know. Oops.
That guy not using the sidewalk. That's dangerous. I didn't pass any car that's stranded. You shouldn't be walking out here. What, is somebody walking out here on Interstate 8? He's got a backpack. Maybe he's running away from home. He's not supposed to be walking out here, so that's illegal. We got a Bigfoot right there. Yeah, he's a dangerous part. Dangerous Bigfoot crossing there.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.